A recent attempt to apply the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause to prevent former President Donald Trump from future voting was dismissed in Wyoming. District Judge Misha Westby of Albany County refuted the initiative, calling it premature and possible instigator of further controversy. The push for this legal action was driven by Tim Newcomb, a retired legal professional. Newcomb's motion, filed on November 1, 2023, aimed to keep Donald Trump and Senator Cynthia Lummis off Wyoming's ballots, citing their dismissal of President Joe Biden's victory. Trump is the big favorite to secure the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, as suggested by numerous polls. Trump's eligibility is currently under scrutiny, with his name being withdrawn from both Colorado and Maine primary ballots due to the 14th Amendment's application. Trump's legal team is rigorously challenging these decisions by taking the case to the U.S. Supreme Court. Justices agreed to an emergency appeal from Trump's legal team, offering a lifeline for the former president. The announcement of the Supreme Court came following Colorado's split 4-3 decision in favor of removing Trump from the ballot. The justices have given a timeline for all relevant briefs to be submitted and scheduled an oral hearing. The main conflict involves the interpretation of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment regarding insurrection or rebellion. Trump's detractors argue that his actions surrounding the 2020 election and the January 6 incident fall within the insurrection clause. The Colorado Supreme Court, in a majority decision, found Trump ineligible for the state's primary ballot based on the events of January 6, 2021. In similar stride, Maine's Secretary of State, Shenna Bellows, concluded Trump used a false narrative of election fraud to incite his supporters. Trump campaign representative Stephen Chung is fiercely contesting these decisions, labeling them as partisan election interference efforts. Chung claims that these actions undermine voter trust in a free and fair election process. Trump has not been officially charged with insurrection as yet, let alone convicted. The principle of innocent until proven guilty remains a cornerstone of American legal practice. All these legal complexities involving former President Trump showcase the strength of the Constitution, even at the highest offices. After all, these proceedings underline the sanctity of the rule of law in the United States.